Want to know how to create an out-of-this-world nail look inspired by Doja Cat's Planet Her album? Start by painting your thumb, middle, and pinky fingers with 2 coats of black gel polish, curing between each coat. Next, apply purple and blue polygel onto your pointer and ring fingers, patting the gel down with a flat brush and slip solution to create an even surface, and don't forget to cure once you're done. Now, using a nail drill or file, carefully smooth out any bumps from the polygel nails. Now it's time to paint the galaxies. Using a tweezer and a small piece of makeup sponge dipped in white gel polish, dab in nebulous shapes across each of your nails. Now, using a nail art brush or a toothpick, make some small and large dots and star shapes across all of your nails. Cure your stars and nebulas under a nail lamp and coat with a thick layer of top coat. But don't cure this top coat just yet. Use a flat brush with a little bit of rubbing alcohol on it to pick up and tap glitter onto the wet polish. Here I got to use really cute heart and star glitters on each of the nails. I even used individual alphabet-shaped glitter to spell out her on the ring finger. Once you're done applying the glitter, cure your nails. Finally, seal in your glitter with a layer of clear polygel to create a smooth and shiny look. Cure and file the clear polygel and seal with a final layer of top coat. Cure your nails one last time and you're done. Beautiful Doja Cat inspired galaxies on your nails.